Yo, yo, yo.
Wow, my fucking mic again muted. Welcome back, everyone. We got Mr. Hayes in the house. Fuck me,
Yo.
sideways. Oh my god. Keep hitting the wall.
At least you caught it.
Yeah, now that it's on my side, I can look at it.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. But, okay. Come in the morning, take a look at Asia's price action, London price action, see what we can do going to New York, take a look at some crypto at night, take a look at some stocks, review the price action on the queue. That's your little synopsis. If you guys are new here, give it a like, give it a share. It's the best way to support us. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Let's take a gander here. NQ, real fast. Nothing too exciting, but going into the London session, we said, okay, well, there's a possibility for us seeing a little S&D day, but also Tuesdays are pretty known for being rally days or being trend days. So we said, okay, well, if we break above Asia session, don't see any displacement below it, kind of thing, or like a rejection. If we see displacement through it, then we're going to trade in the direction of that trend, which pretty much what happened here. Price broke above this liquidity initially, above this London session, London session high. We took some shorts off of this into this fair value gap. This fair value gap kept on holding. We saw that rising VIX, which gave us that nice idea for some longs. Took some longs into the tops over here somewhere, and then fucked off on the day. Obviously, price came back, retested that breakout area, and we got that nice continuation into this upside. That previous, wasn't previous daily high, but that Friday high right there. We got our previous weekly high up above. Price is above the 1550 EMA, so that is a good likely next target. We're still gonna watch and see what price is doing around this area, but that one's a solid one. God, I cannot fucking talk today again. Always. Previous daily high has been swept, so that's something to watch for. If we keep on going below this previous daily high and don't see any displacement through it, there's a good chance we can retrace into the previous daily equal right there, previous daily mid, and then from there, if we displace that, there's going to be an outside day. But if we pop back through it, previous weekly high is a nice target for the upside, and then from there, if we hold above that, there's that target right there. We're going to outline is going to be at 25,935.25. And if we displace that, obviously that's new all-time highs right there. NFP is this week. That's coming up on Friday. So just keep a close eye on the market. See what it's doing. See what it's not doing. And if it's not doing what you want it to do, then fuck off and don't touch it. But that is pretty much what we got here on Tuesday. Journal. Tuesday, yeah.
Wait,
Mate, it's Tuesday.
do I have that?
Huh?
Do I have? Hold on.
Tuesday?
No.
Oh.
Oi, bro, it's Tuesday, isn't it?
There we go. Overall, it's Tuesday, isn't it? Okay, and then let's take a look at crypto. Crypto, like we said, if you guys were monitoring the situation with us here the past few days, we were talking about how, okay, well, price is just absolutely ripping into the monthly open, right? And ripping into this weekly open. So right now we're seeing quite a few just little continuations or reversals to the downside, which I'm a big fan of. I like these reversals. We've had a nice fucking run to the upside. Now it's time to come back, retest those earlier price actions that we've broken above, and see what we want to do actually. You know, because this is the weekly. Most of the previous weekly highs have been swept on these coins. So I want to see if we want to come back and retest some of these OTEs. Not seeing anything that I'm particularly liking as of yet. I think, I just scrolled through one. Form. I'm still in Form. I'm still watching this one. But other than that, all the alerts are set on the other ones that I'm watching and actually are blocked. Alchemy didn't look too bad. Outside day already. ALCH. So this one has some good potential to the upside. Previous weekly low has been swept. Previous monthly low has been swept. I like this one more than the other ones that we have so far that have just pumped up to the upside. As this one looks like a late riser almost. So I'll be watching this one to see what it wants to do. ALCH.
Yeah, I just if you look at Bitcoin, I just don't like that buy side sweep and like lack of displacement on the daily. And then like you said a bunch of like ones I liked all rejecting key level, like key daily CISD level or
And
some kind of liquidity.
one thing to note here, if you guys were here with us on Sunday, we were saying we're pumping into the full fucking moon. As soon as the full moon is over, we're going to see a fucking reversal. Today's not the first day of the last day of the full moon, but we're pretty fucking close there. So just saying, there's some sort of fucking pattern that we're noticing here. So there we go. We might see some pullback into OTE and see what we do there. Maybe more consolidation. Maybe this was just a run-up to get some more people into longs and then liquidate everybody else. But
if we got one more dump, I would. If we like finally swept the wicks on across a lot of those, it'd be so sick.
I would say so too.
And then just pump the living hell out of it the rest of the year.
Yep. But that's what we're. Yeah, this could have just set the quarterly wick. This could have set just the monthly wick, right? So it's like, yeah, this month we can now retrace to the downside and do another sweep. This was a solid foundation of what we could do. I think a lot of these have also swept or at least tapped into those previous monthly highs. So it's like within the first 6 days of the fucking month, we're doing an outside month or, you know, sweeping the previous monthly high. That's pretty fucking crazy for what they're doing. So it just kind of gives you an idea of the possibilities that can happen here. So that's why we're watching for these retraces, seeing if OTE holds on a lot of these, and then going from there of what it actually wants to do and where price wants to go. That's my take on crypto right now. I got nothing to show for it on these coins, except for we're going to watch OTE, and then we're going to execute from there. Stocks-wise, I think my top one right now is going to be Costco. Costco is an absolute fucking beaut of a stock. Swept these liquidities, retested this OTE over here, held this area right there, above the sweep of that SFB right there. And now it's above the CISD, so this one I'm liking for a solid continuation to the upside. I think we can. I think you can do it, especially going to this monthly open. Cost. Right there. There's your weekly chart. There's your monthly chart. So Costco is on the top for me. Ifram still cranking. I think this morning we also mentioned Okta. Okta through the CISD has a little bit of LRLR to the top, so this one can head up to the upside. Fucking God, Lockheed Martin fucking cranked it.
Yep.
See that shit? God motherfucking dang. Above that daily, above that 516, solid continuation on that. COP, a bit of rejection, and Peloton too. Peloton, I'm thinking this one's pretty good for commons here in this area. Looks pretty solid. I'm liking the weekly, the monthly, previous monthly low has been swept, so that one's a solid one. That's what I got on stonks. I think that's, yeah, I mean, Target's still cranking it, getting that animal completion, fucking solid. Let's see. Let's see. Continuation. Target is just fucking beautiful. My first Target.
I feel like it was a long time.
Oh, yeah, back in December. Yeah, back in December is when I posted the first appearance of the Zooey animal on Target. So Target is fucking solid. I'm liking that one.
Yeah, I like Target. Target looks good. Target.
Roblox is also coming into Masters, another one. This one came into the CISD. I think they had some kind of report. So this one hit a nice area on the 4-hour, 12-hour aftermarket. We tested that CISD. So this one would be good for a continuation to the upside, especially if Bitcoin's starting to pick up as well. I'm liking this one even more. Previous monthly low has been swept. So I'd love to see this girl go.
Ooh, that ABT got a really nice pop today, like we talked about yesterday off that outside day.
AMP.
ABT.
ABT.
We talked about it on stream yesterday. That had a nice outside day, and I was like, yeah, I should pop follow through super nicely.
Well, yeah, out of this OT.
Yeah,
like that
nice.
one. MA is also a nice run to the upside on this one today through that daily CISD. Love to see the continuation. Yeah, play MA, nice. 605 calls on that. Betting. ABT, MT. Let's see what Play's doing. Play a little bit of a downsy day today, but holding the CISD. Solid retest up that CISD. Let's see if we get a continuation on it. But other than that, that is all I have. Pretty simple. Keeping it this year is keep it simple. That's the message that we're going forward with this into this year. It's keeping it simple. Not trying to overcomplicate shit, sticking to our strategies, and just taking what matches our criteria and fucking off on the rest. I think that's all I got. You got anything else?
No, sir. I don't see anything that great.
Any final messages?
Be patient.
Patience. Dang right.
Eternal patience.
Yeah. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for watching. As always, make sure you go check out Mr. Hazed over there. 3,000 followers for the guy. We're going to give away a... Oh my god. If I do a fucking motion... There's like a certain motion that I do on the camera and it fucking enables the little zoom mode. Fuck. I need to disable that shit. Anyways, go check out Mr. Hazed. Come hang out with us. 3,000 followers for him. We're going to do a lifetime membership giveaway for the paper traders. Other than that, yeah, then we'll do it. We'll do it. That's all I got. That's all I got. Got nothing else. Thank you guys. Love you. Appreciate you. Go check us out. www.papertraders.io or on Twitter @thepapertraders. Check out Bluffin. You can use code Hayes, code Eddie. Get yourself set up with a nice initial deposit bonus. Nah, well, fuck off. Peace out.
Bye.